Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you install and set up some spotlights for your house. This is without the spotlights, and I'm finishing setting them up. We're starting with just 3, putting one to the left there between the 2 first windows. And we're going to put another one between the other 2 windows, and then one all the way to the right side between those 2 windows. So let me show you guys how they look like. With those lights on, 75 watts, 3. One to the right, I'm going to lift that one up a little bit more. One in the middle, one on the left side. Just got to kind of tweak it a little bit, but you can definitely save yourself a lot of money by doing it yourself. This is just 3. The house is about almost 3,000 square foot, and we just need to be creative. Go to Home Depot, get your stuff, and you can get it all set up. Let me show you where they're at. Okay guys, this is how it is. Simple opening up the box. Got some basic instructions. Got your spikes to put on the ground. Then you have your LED light right here. Take out the plastic, simple as this. Rip this off. Nice and easy. Here's your spike to put on the floor. Here's the other part. So what you do is just screw it right in here. Okay. Nice and easy. Look how easy that was. Literally, that took me, what, a minute? Okay, and then just put it right behind the light. You're good to go. You got the spike. Simple. Put it on the floor and you're good to go. Cool.